What's up, everyone? Check out this really cool golf club cleaning brush and also the groove cleaner as well. Now the cleaning brush is really nice. Whenever the head of your club's getting dirty, you can simply fill this up with water. Just opens up like that. Put it on there. Has a nice bristled brush. Some thick, sturdy bristles on there. And you can just take it and clean the head of your club right off. It comes with like this little rubber piece on here, so you can have this attachment, and this little clip could just easily attach onto your golf club bag. Now what I really like about this groove sharpening tool is how easy it is to use. It comes with a couple different heads too. So this is the first one here. And to attach it in here, it's just a simple screw head. You just twist it on out. And it twists right back in. So on the back side here, you can open it up, and those are where the different pieces are, the different cleaning tools. And then you can just put them back in there. They store nice and conveniently. So you can have 3 different options. These things are really sharp. You just take the head of your club, and just go along those grooves. Make sure they're nice and clean. So if you're looking for a great gift for that golf lover in your life, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.